bigger boy's gonna get a bath. He's so fine. You ready? He's like, oh god. Look up. Good boy.
Oopsie.
Your whole underside is still dry, Brock. No, you don't.
A lot of fur.
Stop trying to get away from the cat. I know you don't like the bath.
Slow down a little.
Okay.
You're being so good, Bubby.
I know, it's a miracle. It's a miracle because they freeze now. Because now we're actually, since we moved here, we've been doing it in a bathtub.
Not the sink.
Right.
With hand soap.
Right.
Come a long way.
Need a little bit more. Good underbelly. Big old underbelly. What's that noise? Like, I don't know. I don't like it. You're being so good, boy. Alright, ready? Yeah, well, I'm trying to hurry. This water's starting to get cold.
Should have ran a little bit of hot.
I did. I didn't want to burn it all.
Well, I mean...
Oh, shit! No, Brock!
Do you want me to help?
No. Use this towel.
Well, I'm gonna... Do you want me to keep recording, or...?
Yeah. I got it now. It's because I let him get too close to the edge.
Yeah.
Yeah, have his towel on standby whenever I'm ready for him.
Sorry about that, YouTube.
You're okay, Blue.
He don't like baths.
Let him sit.
As
Compose
a
himself.
result, he gives everyone else around him a bath.
Yep. Look, you want to sniff it? He's shaking. I know. Look. And this is our soap. He's like, I don't care. I'm old. To aid with the...
Think he's gonna get all loud?
Yeah. He's shaking already. Alright, baby, give me this towel.
Okay.
Throw it over me. Throw it in front of me.
What kind of meows you think he's gonna do?
Probably the ones he always does.
The squeak or the...
He's gonna get loud, probably. It's okay, boo. It's a good boy. It's a good boy. Good boy. It's a good boy. Come back here. He's like, come here.
I want to get out.
Edward, come here. Come here. Giant fuzzball. Big Boo. It's getting really hot in here. It's because of that. It's for them. Them to get sick. You ain't yelling. Why ain't you yelling? You always yell. His name are completely dry now. They hate life right now. But you know what? That means all the fleas should be encountering him on his head.
Alrighty. That's Brock and Nala's bath.
Bye, YouTube! Bye, YouTube!